Hey everyone, welcome to the Mark Loeffler Experience. We got a great show here for you today. If you're new to the channel, thanks so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, the subscribe button is right there. Go ahead and click that. Turn on the notification bell so every time I do release a video, you get updated. And for the YouTube algorithm, guys, help me grow. They're going to push this video. If you like and comment on this, I do respond to all comments on my videos, so I'd love to have that conversation with you down below. Thanks, guys. Let's get into it. We got a great episode for you today. We're going to talk, well, I'm going to talk a couple things. I'm going to talk about what I invested in this last week. Might surprise you a little bit, because maybe last week I said I wasn't, yet I did. You know, we'll take the description down below for when you can just click to find out what I bought or what I did. And we're going to do a bit of a market update. There was some news. CBC did a national thing for us. So it's going to be Canadian real estate update and what's going on, my opinions of the stock market. All right. So let's get right into it. So we'll post this up on the screen. Year over year changes. So for Vancouver, like average price is $1 million. It's up 2.92%. Greater Toronto area up to 2.93%. I think we're seeing some slowdown in the condo market downtown, as obviously Airbnb is no longer available. So some people are putting those on the market to sell, and other people are putting them on the rental market. So there's a little bit more activity there than there would be. So we're seeing some downward price pressure there. So Hamilton, for us Hamilton investors, is up 10.18%. I mean, I own a lot of real estate in Hamilton, so we can do a little bit of math there. That probably adds another zero to my net worth there. Kitchener-Waterloo, 6.58. Ottawa, one of the big winners, 13.98%, so almost 14%. Windsor, I know a lot of you guys are investing in Windsor, and you're up almost 16%. Obviously, the big winner, Thunder Bay. Obviously, these are some of the lower priced markets, so for them to have a 15% gain is easier than say in, well, even in Ottawa or Hamilton. I mean, average home price in Hamilton $630,000, Ottawa's $490,000, but and you go down to Thunder Bay, even with a 22% increase, it's only up to $293,000. And we do have some negative on here, guys, obviously. So Alberta, not doing as well. Calgary's down almost 6.5%. Edmonton down 3%. Regina 6.5%. Obviously more commodity based. Oil prices are down. They've been lagging. These markets have been lagging in the last, I don't know, year and a half. As jobs leave Alberta, as jobs leave Saskatchewan. And these, obviously, I mean, Saskatchewan home prices had a really big price increase over the last couple of years. So, you know, it's these things are bound to happen. They're more cyclical environments, that's for sure. So that's your real estate market update, guys. What are you guys seeing out there? I mean, in our market, we are seeing multiple offers. We're seeing, I mean, I think I said this. We'll put a link down to this description below. I think it was one of my first videos where I said, guys, I think now is the time to buy. And this is going to be like 08, where we're, you know, for Canadians, we're going to have that sharp increase after this is over. And I think we're kind of seeing that. So I think anybody who took advantage of March, April timeframe, I know a lot of you guys did, congratulations, because I mean, you're going to make a bucket load of money coming out of this. What did I buy? Well, I might have bought a couple hundred shares of Tesla, guys. It popped down to just over $900 the other day, and I got into it. And lo and behold, in that same day, it went from almost $900 to like $990. And it's been playing between $980 or $970 and $1,020 in that ballpark. I did go ahead and sell calls that Monday when it popped up for $1,100. So on Friday, if it's $1,100, I have to sell 2/3 of my shares. And I mean, I'm happy to do that if I can make from Monday to Friday a $200 gain per share plus my option price. You know, I don't need to be greedy. I can make a quick buck, get out, still hold some of those shares for the long term, and it'll basically pay most of my way for the shares I do own. Even on those calls, so I sold them Monday, I bought them back Tuesday, and because the price came down, so I was able to get out and realize 60% gain on those calls, and it went back up a little bit later in the day, and I sold those calls again. So I'm making income off those shares right now. I mean, obviously it's not huge. You know, if you want me to, I can walk you through how that trade went, all the numbers, what it looks like with the calls in there, what I paid, what I got paid, what I bought them back at, what I got paid again, and you know, I can dissect the anatomy of that trade. Guys, comment down below. Let me know if that's what you want to see. Let's talk stock market. Woo, stock market, guys, it's a doozy. So we're in a clear uptrend right now, and it's continuing to be that way. I mean, I don't think they care about numbers anymore. I don't think they care about the COVID numbers. Are we going to see an increase in the States? They went back a lot earlier than we did in Canada. I mean, we're just allowing patios right now, no indoor restaurants. I don't think the market cares. I don't think we're going back to full shutdown. It looks positive news is coming out about schools in Quebec and BC, which is good news because I want to send my kids back to school because, well, you know, I'm tired of babysitting them. And I was told the other day, by the way, that it's not babysitting if you're watching your own kids. It's called parenting. What are you going to do? Stock market. What should we do here, guys? I think if you're buying good quality stocks for the long term, it's like buying good quality real estate. You get in, hold it, and wait. I'm going to say this again and again and again. It's not about timing the market. It's about time in the market. Guys, thanks so much. Comment down below. Let me know what you invested in the last week or two. If you bought some real estate, what you bought. If you bought some stocks, what you bought. And, you know, let me know if you want me to dissect that Tesla trade. Always like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Thanks, guys. See you in the next one.